Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up live push notifications from Google Sheets. So setting up live push notifications from Google Sheets allow you to stay updated whenever changes are made to your spreadsheets. And to this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So the first method that you can do is to use the Google Sheets built-in notification rules. So Google Sheets has a built-in feature to send email notification when changes occur. So what you need to do, just open the spreadsheets that you want to monitor and then set the notification rules. So go to tools in here at the top and find notification settings. And in here you can just choose this one, edit notification. So there are these options. If any changes are made, then send email. You can tap on delete. Okay, I'm going to delete this rule first. So in here, you can just tap on add another notification rule. So there are two options. Any changes are made, you can get notified for any edits, or as user submits a form. So for Google Forms link to the sheets, or here you can also choose to notify me with email, daily digest, or right away. So if you want to go with live, so you need to choose this one. And here choose the any changes are made and tap on save. And after that, you will now receive email notification based on your preferences. Second method, you can set up push notification using Google Apps Script. So for real-time push notifications to your phone or via a third-party service, you can use Google Apps Script to integrate Google Sheets with services like Slack, Telegram, or push notification APIs. You can also use method 3, use Zapier or Make. So if you prefer a no-code solution, mm, not like Google Script, you can use tools like Zapier or Make that it will send notification when changes occur in Google Sheets. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.